Welcome to another adventure with Josh. My name is Josh, and today we're going to be working on this Allis Chalmers HD4 bulldozer. It's actually a crawler loader. Our next step is to clean all the junk off the engine. It's currently covered in grease and grime and sand, and I have to open up the fuel system, and I'd really rather not open it up and get crap inside of it, because that'll just clog up my injectors and ruin my engine. So the idea now is we're going to try cranking it over. We've turned the key on, and what we're looking for now is to try and get some fuel out of the injector lines. And then we wait for 2 minutes. No moisture. With the lines cracked, cranking the engine, no fuel came out of the lines. What's happening is the pump is not producing pressure through any of the hard lines, and I've tried every diagnostic that I can come up with on the internet, and as a result, everything that my manual says and the internet says is that I have to tear that pump down and rebuild it. Now, to rebuild it here in Ontario in Canadian dollars, we're looking at somewhere between $700 and $3,000 to rebuild that pump. For a new one, I'm looking at between $2,000 and $4,000, and for a used one, I'm looking for somewhere between $1,500 to $3,000. So for me to rebuild it myself cost me a grand total so far of $100. There you can see the timing marks, and the one on the left is static and the one on the right moves. Here in a moment you'll see it move into place. I'm not sure if you can see that very well, but the two timing marks are lined up. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So our next step, now that the timing marks are set on the pump, is going to be tearing the pump off the engine itself. And the first thing we're going to do is disassemble the hard lines, which are these yellow ones here, by disconnecting these banjo bolts and then removing the clamps here. And then we'll take these off in their assemblies, still in the clamp, so they'll be easy to put back in the same spot when we get it back together. We're going to take off the fuel shutoff and the throttle linkage, and then we'll remove the return line as well as the inlet line. And after that's all off and sealed, we'll then be able to take the pump off itself and get to rebuilding. First, we're going to take off the hard lines for number 1 and 2. Nice. There's the second banjo bolt and its washer. They said don't ever let the washers get inside the pump, but the washers are made of steel by the looks of it, so I don't understand how it could ever do that. So the next thing we're going to do is take that bracket off. Now, this set of hard lines is totally free. There we go. So the next thing we're going to do is take off this nut that's holding on the fuel shutoff. Lefty loosey. Here. Remove that. There we go. Bingo bango. Okay, so we're free, but still tangled. All right, this is nice. Got that undone. Great, we'll just twist that out of the way. That's the return line open. There we go. Can separate the linkage. Everything is disconnected. So the next thing we're going to do is remove the pump. There's 2 bolts on the flange back here, and we're going to take these 2 bolts off and hopefully slide the pump off relatively without too much trouble. Okay, there's not much holding that one on. There we go. Bottom nut and washer. Any luck, this will just slide right off. Yep. Oh yeah. Okay, so that's what they meant by take care not to damage the umbrella seats, which you've now got filthy. They were perfectly clean before you touch them, you filthy monster.